Today, this video will teach you how to become a YouTuber and get paid. If you have been creating videos for fun and uploading on other platforms, you may be creating content for others on YouTube. Because you don't know how to become a YouTuber and get paid, your videos have lost some good money. To become a YouTube star, keep watching. We are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get notification on the next video. Becoming a YouTuber and getting paid is more than creating a YouTube channel and uploading videos. To monetize your channel, you need to drive traffic to your content and harness all the opportunities to make money from YouTube. The first step to becoming a YouTuber is 1. Choose a niche. Yes, you have to choose what kind of videos do you want to create. What is your passion? What kind of topics would you love to always talk about in your videos? You need to decide if you want to do entertainment videos, educating videos, or just informative videos. Also, choosing a niche doesn't restrict you to just that topic. You can consider related niches while creating content. For instance, the World Scholarship Forum YouTube channel creates educative and informative videos on scholarships. So, the niche is scholarship, yet there are contents drawn from related niches like education. 2. Set your channel goal. If you must become a YouTuber who gets paid, then your channel must have clear-cut goals. In setting your goals, decide what you intend to achieve within a specific period and how you intend to achieve that. For instance, I am to create a new YouTube channel. My channel goal with niche in healthy living could read, reaching out to 1,000 people who wish to shed tummy fat in 6 months by creating 20 effective healthy living tips to lose weight on my channel. This goal can be assessed periodically to know how great the channel is doing or not. 3. Record quality video. You need to choose a niche you are passionate about and quite knowledgeable in. Generate content ideas and record quality video. In fact, you need to invest in your recording equipment. With $500, you can get quality set of recording equipments for your new channel. You need an external microphone, tripod, camera, lighting, and an editing software. 4. Become a YouTuber. Once your channel is up, and you have recorded quality videos, upload them on your YouTube channel to become a YouTuber. Now, it's time to monetize your YouTube videos. 5. Become a successful YouTuber and get paid. To become a successful YouTuber, you must consistently post content topics in your niche. Also, optimize your content with the relevant keywords for visibility on search result. One way to drive traffic to your channel is by enhancing your search engine optimization. Now, you have traffic on your channel, it is time to monetize your channel. 6. Monetize your YouTube videos. You can monetize your YouTube channel and earn from any or all of YouTube Partner Program. You can earn over $7,000 on your channel with 1 million views just from ad revenue. Also, you can sell products on your channel using an affiliate link once you hit 1,000 subscribers. Your YouTube videos can be monetized through channel memberships, Super Chat, and YouTube Premium revenue. I hope this video is all you need to become a YouTuber and get paid. What will be your greatest challenge in becoming a YouTuber and getting paid? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.